Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to make this beautiful origami ice cream. Now to make this we require 2 origami sheets and a marker. That's it. Very simple to make it. I want you all to have 2 origami sheets. Now what we will do is the first step is to keep the sheets together. Just join them together. Okay. Now we'll turn it around. In case you don't have origami sheet, you can just cut the sheets in the size of 6 by 6 inches or 5.5 by 5.5 inches. Okay, now what we will do is I will fold it from this corner. Okay, first we'll make a slanting line. We'll just make a slanting line. I'll just hold them together. Little tricky to hold them together because we are taking 2 sheets, and we'll make a crease like this. Done. Now we will open it, and from one corner we'll just fold them on this line. Okay, now I'll repeat the same step on the other side. I will again make a crease. Now what we will do is, from this corner I'll hold them together and I'll fold them outside. Okay, I have to just take them outside. So I'll make a crease like this and I'll take them outside. Now this is very important that they should move outside this area. Now we'll repeat the same step on the other side. So I'm again repeating the same step. I'll just take it outside and I'll make the crease. That's very important while making the origami work. Now the next step is, just a second. Okay. Now the next step is to turn it around. Okay, now we can see these ears coming out. What we will do is we will fold them together and just make a crease again. Now I'll repeat the same step on the other side. Okay, this much is done. Now from the top I will fold it again like this on this line. We have to fold it on this line. You all can see this line. We'll fold it on this line. Now I'll repeat this step and I'll fold it again. I'll just fold it again. And we have to make a crease. Make sure you have a point on top. That's it. Okay. Now it will look like this. Now what we'll do is we'll again take the back side. Now what we'll do is we have to fold it. Now the first step is to fold it. I'm just folding it and I'll make a crease. Okay, now what I have to do is, this is little tricky, just look at it carefully. I am again folding it back. I'll just take small part and I'll just repeat the fold. I'll just fold it backwards. Okay, now again I'll fold it. I'll take a big part and I'm again folding it. Now again I'll fold it backwards. I'll take a small part here. I'll make a crease and I'll fold it back. That's it. Okay, now when I will turn it around, what I can see is my ice cream is ready. Isn't it simple? Now with the marker, I'll just make some lines here. So while making this ice cream, I'll just make some slanting lines. and crisscross, the way we have it on our cones. I hope you enjoyed making this ice cream. You can choose any color to make these ice creams. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates on the videos. Bye everyone.